Everyone says tech is the future. That is true. Everyone says data analytics is easier for you to break into tech. True also. But you know that two truths can exist, right? Relax. Nobody prepares you for what the journey actually looks like. There is always a journey and process to whatever thing you're doing. In this video, I'm going to explain to you based on my own experiences what the journey looks like. The lonely moments, the moment you feel like, yes, I've arrived. And then the moment you feel like, should I quit? Are you sure I made the right career choice? All these are the things I'm going to explain to you in this video. So just stay tuned to the end of this video. If you're starting out as a data analyst, don't make this one mistake. Building in private. Unless you know that you have the connection, you have the network, you have people that can say, go there, tell them I sent you. Or you have people that can even employ you directly. But if you just want to learn data analytics and then go into the job market, actually get your place, build in public. The day you make decision that you want to move into data analytics is the day you are supposed to create your LinkedIn profile. That is if you don't have one already, and start documenting your journey. In fact, anything you learn, any project you do, any workshop you attend, whatever is it that you do, document it there. That is where you can get referrals or recruiters see you. Build in public. I made this one mistake. I built in private. In my mind, after building, I would just explode. Once I finish building and I go into the job market, they're gonna hire me. Besides, I know how to use all the tools, but I was wrong. If you have people, I keep emphasizing, build in private. But if you know that it is just you who wants to break into this field, build in public. It will help you and save you years of frustrations of not landing a job. Data analytics job market is saturated. I'm going to say it. People might not want to say it. People keep saying, don't believe it is saturated. It is saturated. That is the truth. That is why you need to stand out so you can be picked even though it is saturated. You need to build in public. You need to document your process. You need to let these people know that these are the tools I learned and this is how I learned it. These people need to know your level. Nobody wants to employ anybody they see in the job market. Nobody wants to just pick anybody and employ and start checking if you can do this or if you can do that. They want to be sure that they are not wasting their time, their money, and their company resources. Every business, their purpose is to make profit. So anything that will drag them back, they're not ready for it. Nobody talks about it. Everybody talk about going into tech, moving into tech, moving into tech. Did they tell you what it's like? The same way everybody talk about moving to content creation, moving to content creation, but that is story for another day. All right. So if you're breaking into tech through data analytics, start building in public, no matter how small. You must not even use your face. On LinkedIn, it's better you write, type, explain, send screenshots of your work. Nobody's going to hold you responsible for it. All people are going to say is someone who is transitioning, who is learning, and who wants to share their journey with the public. If you're starting new, build in public. Don't build behind closed doors. Let people know you're learning. Let them know when you actually learn. Let them know you're applying for jobs. Let them know every step you're taking. Recruiters are watching. Those people that will give you those your dream jobs are watching out there. So see you on the next one.